showcase research. Now, the research that we do, Mr. Chairman, can it transform this country? And I want to believe the answer is yes. Can it transform this continent? The answer is yes. Therefore, we must be seen to conduct a lot of applied research. If that research transforms the communities where we live, then people see value addition in having universities around themselves. Because as we talk now, we have so many universities in Kenya, and I believe other parts of the continent. The people who live there, the people who are next to you, can they see any value? Or they see you as a nuisance? If they can see you as being of some value, then your existence shall not be in vain. And I think that's the challenge. Then I note, Mr. Chairman, that this is a forum for collaboration and fusion between academia and practice. And the big question is, to what extent does industry support practicums for students, attachments for students? To what extent? You will find in this part of the world, developing countries, where the relationship between industry and institutions of higher learning is such that indeed doesn't encourage that collaboration we expect. I remember some 5 or 6 years ago, and the opportunity to visit Germany. And what impressed me so much is to find a very strong relationship between industry and institutions of higher learning, to the extent that they pay students and summary, those students who go for practicums. But in our country, in our continent, I don't know whether that happens very often. Professor Hausa, ni ukweli, isn't it? You also don't find people in the industry who are willing to share their knowledge, to teach our students. They see these students as if they are bothered. Yet, they are the same people, the very students who work in that industry. So it's a challenge to all of us, particularly members from the corporate world who are in our midst, to change this paradigm for the betterment of our respective countries. Then I understand you have 2 tracks. And the first one is a business conference track. And to me, I expect, as I've already said, that we need to share in delight. That is the motto of BMW. Sharing in delight that which we know. Because there is no point of having wonderful experiences in our grey matters. Experiences that become archival. They are dead, they are stealable, because nobody shares these wonderful ideas. Please, those of us who have these wonderful ideas, let us share them. And we have all different types of fora, like this one. Books, proceedings of meetings, of conferences like this one. So please, I was saying earlier on, I challenged you, Zub and others, when I was here last time, that if there are proceedings, it should not take 1 year to come and launch the proceedings here. Yes, these proceedings, when a karaoke, must be produced timelessly so that they are spread all over for us to learn and use them. Are we together? Please. I think that's the challenge. I am very excited today to note that we are launching the African Journal of Business and Management. To me, this is a continental initiative. A continental initiative. Is it unique? Can people out there say there is something good from this continent? Something special, brewed in Africa? Yes. Can we say that? And I want to believe, yes, it is true. Is there something that is unique about African management, governance. Can others borrow from us? Why not? They can. They can. One time, and I remember I said this,